Alzheimer's disease is considered by some to be the biggest public health crisis of our time.
It is the 6th leading cause of death in the United States, and in Minnesota, the disease affects more than 11% of the senior population. But efforts are being made to change that. In today's Health Check, Delane Cleveland looks at what people are doing locally to help treat the disease and find a cure.
On a soggy field in Minneapolis,
get up, break it down!
A group of more than a dozen women prepare for an epic battle on the gridiron featuring an age-old rivalry.
Oh yeah, I got this.
The Blondes versus the Brunettes.
We put together a flag football game and we raise money, and we have one big game where we spend about 3 months prepping and getting ready for, and it's kind of a big support of the Alzheimer's Association and what goes on.
Swap out his bullets.
Kylie Swanson of Brooklyn Park is one of the players representing Team Blonde. She's participating in honor of her grandfather.
My grandpa was actually diagnosed with Alzheimer's about 3 years ago, and then it also runs on my mom's side of the family, and it's just it's a scary disease.
So Alzheimer's is the most common type.
According to officials from the local Alzheimer's Association,
Alzheimer's is the public health crisis of our time.
The disease is becoming an even larger problem.
Over the next 30 years, that rate is set to triple the number of people that will develop Alzheimer's or another dementia. Caregiving costs will also go up extraordinarily.
The money raised by these young women will help provide programs and services for people who are living with the disease in Minnesota. And earlier this year, the Minnesota legislature set aside $1 million for Alzheimer's research.
It's unprecedented. And there are 2 other states in the United States where state governments have given money, and one is Texas and one is Florida.
It's a large problem that isn't going away anytime soon. But with something as simple as a flag football game, these women are doing what they can to help future generations live in a world without Alzheimer's.
Because the more money we raise, it helps the cause just that much more.
For Health Check, Delane Cleveland, 12 News.
The Blondes versus Brunettes football game takes place on Saturday, August 29th at noon at Concordia University in St. Paul. Last year, they raised more than $170,000. That's a lot of money.
Wow, good for them.